Buddy, I'm telling you, what a rig. This is my favorite Christmas gift. Lock her down so she don't move. Fasten to the table. Grab your potato. Drive her in. And check this out. Boom! Fries! Another one. Look. Cock her back. Drop the potato in. Boom! Fries! Want to see it again? Look. Potato. Cock her back. Drive her in. Boom! Fries! Want to do it again? Sure. Fuck it. Cock her back. Drop potato. Boom! Fries! Want to do it again? Sure. Fuck it. Why not? Here, look. Cock her back. Drive her in. Potato. Boom! Fries!